Top features in the Toyota Crown. It's got large wheels that give it a very sporty look. Next up is the crystal clear backup camera. It's 360 degrees. It is great for getting out of tight parking spots. The center console is perfect with everything exactly where you need it, but the best part of this console is the stand-up wireless charger. In the back, there is plenty of room for adults, and there's even an extra couple ports for charging. Last but not least is the trunk space. Even though this isn't an SUV, there's plenty of room for storage. Come test drive one today.